and I believe it works. I have not tested teleport yet, but I'm going to walk you through how I wrote it, because when I recorded myself writing it, I realized I'm still having allergies, but I was just sniffing into the mic the entire time. So, in chat handler, we are going to start with game.players.playerAdded. So we are going to find the player added remote, and we're going to connect that event to a function with the parameter player, which is just getting the player that's joining. And now, I'm doing something called ifPlayer.name, so I'm checking the name of the player. For me, I'm just doing Punisher the Awesome, that's the account I'm on right now, and then I'm also using Official Studios, which is my other account. So it's if player.name equals Punisher the Awesome or Official Studios, then player.chatted connect function message. So after that, we're going to connect the player's chatted event to a function and get the message. So now we have a few if statements here for each command. The first one is /kick, and I'm going to walk you through that. So if the message equals, that is comparison. Equals is like blank equals 10. This is equals, like if this equals that, then. So in this case, if message equals /kick, then we're going to fire the remote event game.replicatedStorage.kickQuestion1, and we're going to fire all clients. And this will basically make it look a lot like a Discord server, where it like sends a message back as a Discord bot. So we're going to go into chat sender, and we're going to handle this by going game.replicatedStorage.kickQuestion1.onClientEvent. So that's getting the remote event that's happening, and we're just going to connect it to a function. We don't need a parameter. Now, the script that we are going to write here, local starter GUI equals game get service starter GUI. So we're getting the starter GUI service there. Now we're going to repeat wait until success, and now we're defining success here. The local success, we're going to p-call a function, and the function is going to be starter GUI, so that here we're going to set core, in that a core GUI is like chat, or this, I think. I don't know why that popped up. It's not going away. Or like the top bar. We're going to set a core, chat make system message. So you'll notice here, it goes set core, parentheses, and that parentheses ends here. Do not end it. So it goes chat make system message, comma, then we're going to open a table, text equals the text. For this one is who would you like to kick. For the kick commands, it's white text. Color equals colorfree.fromRGB 255. And then there's font equals enum.font.sourcesansbold default font. And then the text size equals 18. So that just repeats until it is actually like there. And that basically just sends a chat message that says, who would you like to kick? Then we're going to go back to our chat handler, and after that has been fired, kick question 1, we need the player to chat again. So we're going to connect it. We're going to connect the same player.chatted connect function message. So after that, local players equals game get service players. So we're going to get the player service up here. And the kicked player is the player that's getting kicked. We're going to find the first child that is the message. So you have to type the player's name exactly. And then we're going to fire a new remote event called kickQuestion2. So now we're going to go into chat sender, game.replicatedStorage.kickQuestion2.onClientEvent. That's just getting the client event, connect it to a function. And it's basically the exact same thing as up here, except the text is now, what were they doing? So now you need to define what they're doing, because if you don't know, when you're kicking, they're basically, how you would kick, you would go player, and then just do kick with parentheses. That just kicks them, but you could put like quotes here for being blah 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 blah. So that like it'll show you a reason for why you've been kicked. So then after that we need them to chat again, and it's just the same line, player.chatted connect function message. What did I ruin? Oh, okay. Whoa, okay, it's fixed. So now, after they do it again, the kicked player, we're going to kick, and inside those parentheses is going to be that latest message. And then we're going to do, we're going to fire one last remote event called kick success. You don't have to do this, I just like it. So now, kick success. Oh, this is the wrong script. So, dot on kick success. So now just type successfully kicked. It's the same script except successfully kicked. Now I'm going to show you what this one does. If we click play, this actually does work in Studio, by the way. Slash kick. Who would you like to kick? I'm sorry, this is in the way. Who would you like to kick? I would like to kick Punisher the Awesome. What were they doing? They were blah, 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 blah. And it just shows, see, that's the message there. So that is our first kick command. At the end of this, I will show you how to connect this to a Game Pass instead of a username. But let's get started with the next thing. So now this one has an extra thing with remote events that I will show you, but it basically has something to do with getting what was sent with the event on the client. Now, so after this if statement with if kick, that was the whole function we just did. We're also going to add another one called if message equals equals slash speed then. Now we're going to take our next remote events, and it is speed question. There's only one question here. There's also speed success. So we're going to fire all clients speed question. And this script is basically the same. So game.replicatedStorage.speedQuestion.onClientEvent. You can only handle this on a client script, like a local script. But after that, we're going to connect it to a function. It's a regular function. It's the same thing, except it types what walk speed do you want. And for this one, I have colored each different type of command a different color. So this one is light blue, and it is 0,255,255 for RGB. So the text is what walk speed do you want. The font is enum.font.source-sans-bold. Text size is 18. So that'll just ask what walk speed they want. And now we need them to chat again. Player.chatted connect to a function message. And now local character equals player.character. So if you don't know how this works, in players, that's where you show up. There's also a model of you in Workspace that has your arms and your human and everything in it. Now we're going to find the first child of the character that is humanoid, and that's not what has all your limbs, but it's like, it's almost, I'm not much of a modeling guy, but it's like how you walk, basically. It's the entity that you are, but it's not all of the things with the entity. Okay, so now we need to get the humanoid dot walk speed. Walk speed is walk with a capital W and speed with a capital speed. It won't work otherwise. That equals message, the latest message here. And now we're going to fire the speed success. But you'll notice in these parentheses we have a parameter this time. Instead of just firing all clients, we're firing all clients with message. And that doesn't do anything unless we handle it slightly differently. And that is here. So the line is getting the speed success.onClientEvent, but when we're connecting it to a function, we're going to use the parameter event. And that basically message would equal event in this case. So we're going to do it everything the same. Local starter GUI equals game get service starter GUI. Repeat wait. Local success equals pcall function. Set core chat make system message. The text equals successfully changed walk speed 2. Then after that, you'll notice there's something. So we're adding a space here. That is just going to show, because it's going to show a number after this, so we need a space. And then we're going to go dot dot event. And that's basically adding that into dot dot. It's adding the text, like the value, or yeah, in this case it's a string value, to the text that you have here. And then the color equals blue, it's source-sans-bold, and it's 18. So then we're going to show you what that one does. I'm also going to show you how you have to do this one, because in the other one you have to do the player name exactly right. In this one you have to do walk speed exactly right. So you're going to type /speed, if that is what your command was, /speed. What walk speed do you want? let's just say I typed a bunch of letters. That does not show an error in the output, but basically, your humanoid, if we go into properties and go to walk speed, where is it? It just changes it to 0. So you have to have a positive number. So what we could do is we could go here and we could type /speed. And then we could type, let's do 100. And now we're running around. So it just changes your walk speed and sends, the event was the message. It said successfully changed walk speed to 100. So that was showing what we had sent. Now let's do our next command, /kill. Do it. So now after if message equals /speed, let's add a new one. If message equals /kill then. We're gonna start off immediately firing a remote event. It's called kill question. And let's show you what it handles with. So it is basically it's the exact same. I saved time and called it SG, but you could do whatever. So SG set core, it's the same thing, all the text, except the text is who would you like to kill, and the color, mine is red, but it's, let's just make it exactly red. You don't really see a difference. 255, 0, 0. That is how to make an exact red in RGB. So that just sends who would you like to kill. Okay, so next. Now we need them to connect their chat again after it asked who would you like to kill. So the local kill player is the player that's gonna get killed. So it equals game.players. I didn't want to get the service. And then we're gonna find first child that is message. It's the same thing as the kick, but now we need to get the kill character. So kill player dot character, and then local human equals kill character find first child humanoid, and human.health equals 0. And then we're gonna fire a remote event kill success, and that is basically just successfully killed player. Yeah, it's the color was the same as it was. I'll fix it again. Okay. So I will show you what that does. And I have not actually fully tested or finished the teleport one, so you actually get to see me write part of the script. If anyone knows how to get rid of this, please let me know. It is driving me insane. So, /kill. Who would you like to kill? That's showing up there. I would like to kill myself. And it killed me. So, now for our last command. So, after if equals /kill, then we're going to do if message equals /teleport. So, this one is going to teleport you. And so it goes game.replicatedStorage.teleport question fire all clients. So it's basically the same, but it's a different remote event. This color, I believe, is like a pink. And it's the same thing. The text is where would you like to go, and the color, mine is 251, 0255. I think to make it exactly pink, it would be 255, 0, 255. So then, after that has been fired, we need them to chat again, and we're going to connect it to the function message, and the character equals player.character. So this is the just player, original player, not kicked player or killed player, just original player. And then after that, local HRP, that stands for humanoid root part, and that is not in your humanoid, but it is in your character. And that's like what positions you. It's invisible, but it's also, if you anchored it, it moves it. You can't move. But the only way to teleport a player is to move their humanoid root part, but you have to change it to C-frame to not kill them. So humanoid root part dot C-frame equals C-frame.new, vector3.new, and that is going to be message. So let's also, after that, let's fire this is the part I have not written yet. Game.replicatedStorage.teleport success fire all clients. Now we're going to go into chat sender. Let's just copy this because it's quicker, and then we can change a few variables. Teleport question, we're going to change that to teleport success, and then this is going to be successfully teleported exclamation point. Now let's test it out. I have not tested this one yet because I did not have time to finish writing it in the video or at all. Okay, so /teleport. Where would you like to go? So you have to type this as a 3-number string. Oh, look it teleported me. So I'm going to show you it. So /teleport. That was our first thing, and then it sends where would you like to go. Now you need to type in the format number, comma, number, comma, number. That is a vector 3. So I'm going to show you mine. I'm going to go up 0, comma, 50, comma, 0. That sends me up 50. I don't know why it didn't. Is there any errors in output? That looked weird. Okay. So if you have any questions, feel free to reply to this video. I hope you all really enjoyed it, and I hope you have a good day. Look out for the other video if you want to see it, and it is up. Click where this box is here. If you want to subscribe, click around here. If you want to see the latest video, click about here. Thank you all for watching. Bye.